456 is talking, but you can't hear her because of technical problems.
456. Okay, what is the marks? You please, you tell.
Sir, she got 15.
15. Okay, thank you. Okay, my dear students, you will have another 2 classes on the same topic, but never think in that way that the topic we discussed in today's class or the topic we included in the exam will not be included in the coming exam. It will not be held in that way. Remember, the important topic should be considered all the time. In one exam it comes, it will not come another exam, it will not think in that way. You will not think in that way. Okay, the same topic can be set in the exam papers if the topic is important. So we have emphasized those topics which are important. Never think that this topic has come in the one exam, it will not come in another exam. It will not be thought in that way. ওকে, বঙ্গবন্ধু টপিক থেকে প্রশ্ন সবসময় আসবে, এটা মাথায় রাখবে যে কোনো পরীক্ষায়, all the time. Okay, so you will have another 2 classes on the same topic. Okay, Bangabandhu is continuing his speech. He told that he had met President Yahya Khan. He told that I have met President Yahya Khan. I have made a request to him, not only on behalf of Bengal, but also as the leader of the party, which has the majority in Pakistan. Means Bangabandhu told that, oh, from previous class, I want to say, in the year 1958, Ayub Khan declared martial law, and people protested, and because of his autocracy, he had to fall down. Now, after his falling down, President Yahya Khan came to throne. Bangabandhu told, I made a request to him, not only on behalf of Bengal, but also as the leader of the party which has the majority in Pakistan. Yes, Bangabandhu told that I met him and I requested him on behalf of the leader of a country, not as only leader of the country, but as the leader of a party which has the majority in Pakistan. মানে বঙ্গবন্ধু বললেন প্রেসিডেন্ট ইয়াহিয়া খানের সাথে আমি সাক্ষাৎ করে তাকে অনুরোধ করলাম, শুধু একজন দেশের নেতা হিসেবে নয়, একটা পার্টির নেতা হিসেবে, যে পার্টিটা নির্বাচনে নিরঙ্কুশ ক্ষমতা পেয়েছিল। Let's write down. Oh, one thing you just see from the previous slide, you just see one thing. You see, I have made a request, so request is noun here. I requested not. If I told I requested, so it would be verb. But I made a request, so request is noun here. Have you understood? So the synonym should be, if the main word is noun, the synonym should also be noun. The request means entreaty. This is noun and entreaty is noun. And antonym, avoidance or ignorance. On behalf of, in favor of. Antonym, against. Majority, bulk. And antonym, minority. Shizuki, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
Okay, did you complete writing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So request means entreaty, synonym, antonym, avoidance or ignorance, on behalf of, in favor of, antonym, against, majority, bulk, antonym, minority. So many things happened since then. Mr. Bhutto came here. Mr. Bhutto, if I'm not wrong, if so far my idea is concerned, Mr. Bhutto was the chief of general staff. He came to Bangladesh, means then East Pakistan. He carried out discussion with us. He had said that the doors of negotiations had not been shut and there would be further negotiations. Ms. Bangabandhu told that Bhutto came and he carried out discussion. He continued discussion with the leaders of the then East Pakistan. He said that the doors of negotiations have not been shut. And he assured the people of East Pakistan that the doors of negotiations are not shut and there would be further negotiations. And he told that the negotiations we will continue. বঙ্গবন্ধু বলছেন যে পরে অনেক কিছু ঘটে গেছে, মিস্টার ভুট্টো এলেন, আমরা আমাদের আলোচনা চালিয়ে নিলাম এবং তিনি বললেন যে আলোচনার দরজা বন্ধ হয়নি, এটি অব্যাহত থাকবে। ওকে, রাইট ডাউন দিস 4 words from this passage. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Carry out means continue or implement. Antonym, stop. Negotiations, discussion, antonym, disagreement. Further, synonym, more, antonym, less. Your next exam will be held on 50 marks so far. If the situation deteriorates, if the institute remains closed till January, February, your next exam will be held on 50 marks so far. যদি প্রতিষ্ঠান সরকারের অব্লিগেশনস এর কারণে না খোলে, নেক্সট এক্সাম কিন্তু 50 মার্কসের হবে এবং the same topic can be considered. Okay, remember that thing. Complete writing, please. Excuse me. Complete writing.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes, sir.
done, sir.
Coming to my next slide. I then had talks with other leaders. You just think, I then had talks. Here, talks is the noun. I then had talks. আমি কথা বললাম। I talked কিন্তু লিখিনি আমি। I talked নয়। I then had talks. Here, talk is noun. I then talks with other leaders. Bangabandhu told that he talked with other leaders. I said to them, come and sit down with us. Bangabandhu told that, please come and sit down with us. Let's create a constitution for ourselves through discussions. Ms. Bangabandhu told that he talked to other leaders. He invited them to come and to continue discussing with the leaders of the then East Pakistan. He proposed to them to create a constitution for themselves through discussions. Bangabandhu proposed to them. Just write down talks, create a constitution. talks here now. So this is discussions. It doesn't have any antonym. Create, synonym make, and antonym destroy. Constitution, charter, and no antonym. But Mr. Bhutto declared that if West Pakistani members came here, so when Bangabandhu invited them to come, Mr. Bhutto rejected his proposal, and he declared that if West Pakistani members came here, the assembly would end up as a slaughterhouse. And he declared that if anybody comes, he will be slaughtered, he will be killed. যদি কেউ তোমাদের সাথে পূর্ব পাকিস্তানে এসে আলোচনায় বসে তাহলে তাদেরকে জবাই করা হবে। স্লটার হাউস মানে হচ্ছে কসাইখানা, কসাইখানায় তাদেরকে হত্যা করে ফেলবো। The assembly would end up as a slaughterhouse. এই আলোচনার অনুষ্ঠানটা হবে একটা কসাইখানা। I disagree. বঙ্গবন্ধু told, I disagree. আমি disagree করলাম। But suddenly on the 1st of March, the assembly was shut down. But on the 1st of March, the assembly was declared closed. The slide down end up slaughterhouse, disagreed, suddenly, and assembly. End up, synonym close down. Verb হিসেবে বসেছে এটা। End up, verb, and this is close down. Antonym, continue. Slaughterhouse, slaughterhouse, কসাইখানা. Synonym, butchery. Butchery, and it doesn't have any antonym. Disagreed, protested. Antonym, agreed. Suddenly, all on a sudden. Antonym, deliberately or consciously. You just think, go to the previous slide, assembly session or meeting. Here assembly is not parliament. Just think. But suddenly on the 1st of March, হঠাৎ করে মার্চের 1 তারিখে the assembly was shut down. মানে আলোচনাটা ভেঙে দেওয়া হলো। এখানে কিন্তু not national assembly. National assembly means national parliament. But এখানে assembly বলতে আলোচনা, সংসদের অধিবেশনকে বোঝানো হচ্ছে। এই জন্য কিন্তু এখানে assembly মানে হচ্ছে session or meeting. And it doesn't have any antonym. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So thank you very much. You have another class. I will not disturb you anymore. This strikes 9:40. Once again, I would like to remind you of the matter, today's matter, that I have given 5 students the responsibility to convey my message that if the students don't give their marks by coming Wednesday 10 o'clock, they will be given 0 marks in their exam, I can say. So please convey your message. তোমরা শুধু মেসেজ, তোমাদের দায়িত্বটা মেসেজটা পৌঁছে দাও ওদের। বুধবার সকাল 10টার মধ্যে তারা যদি পরীক্ষার নাম্বারটা আমার কাছে না দিতে পারে এবং কারণটা না দেখাতে পারে যে পরীক্ষা দিয়েছে অথচ ক্লাসে নেই, আমি তাদেরকে 0 মার্কস দেব। তোমরা কিন্তু এটা জানিয়ে দিও। ওকে
জি স্যার।
my dear students, I have given the responsibility, 5 students I have given the responsibility. Please do the needful. Thank you very much. Prepare for second session. Thank you all, my dear students.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. Assalamu alaikum, sir.
স্যার কাইন্ডলি একটু অ্যাটেন্ডেন্সটা দিয়ে দিয়েন।
হ্যাঁ বলো। হ্যাঁ আমি দিয়ে দিচ্ছি, কিছুক্ষণের মধ্যেই দিয়ে দিচ্ছি। আর কেউ বাদ আছো এখন পর্যন্ত মার্কস দিতে পারো না, এরকম কেউ বাদ আছো? এখানে আসছো অথচ নাম বা মার্কসটা দিতে পারো নি এক্সামে, সেটা কেউ আসো এরকম?
No, sir.
ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ। আমি অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স দিয়ে দিচ্ছি কিছুক্ষণের মধ্যেই।